दत्ता दिस साइड अगेन एंड डू यू वांट टू नो द टॉप 10 बिजनेस आइडियाज जो आप इमीडिएटली चालू कर सकते हैं इन द ऑनलाइन विद लेस बजट एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग मनी। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल शेयर एग्जैक्टली टॉप 10 बिजनेस आइडियाज जिसमें से आप कुछ आइडियाज पिकअप कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट इन योर बिजनेस। इफ यू आर समबडी नॉट क्लियर कि व्हाट शुड बी योर मनी मेकिंग आइडियाज or what you are doing right now, whether it is have the market value, how can I start with the minimum budget। दोस्तों तो इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं आपको टॉप आइडिया शेयर करने वाला हूँ, सो प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी कोच मोर देन 20,000 प्लस पीपल। मैंने भी बहुत सारे बिजनेस ट्राई किए हैं और ये आप लोगों के लिए भी हेल्पफुल हो सकता है बिकॉज beside I coach like how to get customers, how to dominate online, how to build funnel, but this is the on demand video that can help you immediately to get clarity. So without any further delay, let's move on my screen and make some notes and share below this video. Let's move to my screen immediately. So here we go. जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो अभी right now immediately you are on my screen. Just hang out. जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर अभी देख रहे हो, वी हैव दिस लाइक आइडियाज बेस्ड ऑनलाइन बिजनेस आइडियाज टू स्टार्ट विथ इमीडिएटली एंड इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट। तो मेरा इंटेंशन दोस्तों सिंपल है इसके कि हाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट योर सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस ऑनलाइन विथ एंड गेट इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट, बिल्ड एंड स्टार्ट बिजनेस फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच। मैं आपको 10 आइडियाज देने वाला हूँ, यू नीड टू स्टार्ट मेकिंग नोट्स में आपको कुछ आइडियाज देने वाला हूँ। उसके बाद में आप कुछ बेसिकली यू कैन डू सम रिसर्च एंड चूज whatever it is best for you. So let's go and let's start step by step. Make some notes, also be there till the end. I have some amazing gifts and invitation for something special. Okay, so please make some notes. So let's go here one by one. तो जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो, आइडिया नंबर 1, the first idea is affiliate marketing, or you can say the drop shipping or the network marketing. So first idea is all about like affiliate marketing or network marketing. ये आइडिया बहुत सिंपल है। बेसिकली you can start selling other people product services, बाकी लोगों के प्रोडक्ट्स सर्विसेज सोल्यूशन डिजिटल फिजिकल प्रोडक्ट्स। तो इट मीन्स अफिलिएट मार्केटिंग मतलब आप पार्टनरशिप करते हो बाकी लोगों के साथ में, यू सेल द अदर पीपल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड यू मेक सम कमीशन। सो बेसिकली दिस इज स्मार्ट आइडिया टू स्टार्ट। नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग भी सेम है बिकॉज यू डोंट ओन द बिजनेस, यू डोंट क्रिएट द प्रोडक्ट्स, यू डोंट डू एनीथिंग, यू जस्ट like find the great product, find the great company just like Amazon affiliate, Flipkart और other digital के अंदर बहुत सारे की website hosting, domain hosting, there are so many things are available there. But if you are somebody from other business like network marketing, there are some like Herbal, like there are some great companies you can do the collaboration. But the thing is that one, you need to have some problem solving product that you personally love about that product service solution, because ultimately affiliate marketing में होने दो, how do you make the money? And I will be creating special video on this particularly after this video. I will be creating special video how to achieve great results in the affiliate marketing. So this is the great ideas, you can learn more on this part. This can help you to start generating some cash flow. This can be the full-time business या part-time business भी हो सकता है. Okay, so make this number 1. Second part, drop shipping. This is amazing thing. Drop shipping also similar kind of like partnership with other things. You don't create the product, you don't own the company, you don't do anything, but you are the mediator. जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो, I'm showing you here. Suppose drop shipping model. What you do the marketing like customer place the order on suppose on your store. You have your own store in between. Suppose कोई किसी ने 200 रुपए का प्रोडक्ट खरीदा है and you keep suppose 50 rupees product, 50 rupees profit, and forward order to supplier or the creator and pay wholesale amount, suppose 150 rupees to them, and supplier will directly send the product to the customer. So basically that's the great thing you can do. You don't own company, you don't own the products, but you can run advertising, you can get the order, make the commission and start doing it. You can do more research. Nowadays a lot of people are doing this one, but keep in mind आपको हमेशा एंटरप्रेन्योर माइंडसेट ही रखना है, कोई भी बिजनेस रहने दो, टू गेट अचीव द ग्रेट सक्सेस इन दिस बिजनेस. आई होप दिस वाज हेल्पफुल. आइडिया नंबर 3, जैसे कि आप मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो, फ्रीलांसिंग. फ्रीलांसिंग इज ऑल्सो बढ़िया, नो मैटर यू आर इन जॉब, इन बिजनेस और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में है, वट एवर यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ, हाउस वाइफ हो, यू आर जस्ट डूइंग समथिंग, फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकते हो. फ्रीलांसिंग के अंदर बहुत सारे आइडियाज है लाइक द फेसबुक एड एक्सपर्ट, कॉपी राइटिंग like sales call, marketing expert, Facebook ad expert, whatever the skill you have. There are so many websites like freelancer.com. There are so many थर्ड पार्टी वेबसाइट जहां पे आप खुद को रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं एज अ फ्रीलांसर. बट बिफोर दैट वन कीप इन माइंड यू शुड लर्न. आपको कुछ स्किल सीखने होंगे. इफ यू थिंक इफ यू हैव सम स्किल्स डेफिनेटली यू कैन हेल्प. देयर आर सपोज आई गेट सम ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग डन फ्रॉम फ्रीलांसर्स या फिर कॉपी राइटिंग, एड कॉपी क्रिएशन. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. टेलीकॉलर्स, it can be anything. You can become a freelancer and make some money. You can charge the project base, or even though you can get hourly base. Okay, you can learn more of that part. Fourth, digital product, digital course. Guys, this is my favorite because I have made more than 1 CR. You can see the trophy here. 1 CR in the last 1 year by selling digital courses products. So basically, आप खुद का product कर सकते हैं. You can create your own products, you can sell other product as well. But I recommend you find your topic, create some, learn the skills and create some problem solving product. You can make a lot of money and you can learn on this part more. Fifth, become a YouTuber. Guys, this is amazing thing. Right now you must be watching on the YouTube channel. You can find your topic and start creating content on that one, because YouTube is the long-term game. You can make a lot of money there. You can become a YouTuber, start publishing content, learn more about how to build YouTube channel, how to grow YouTube channel, how to monetize YouTube channel. Because down the line दोस्तों बहुत सारे लोग आपको स्पॉन्सरशिप देते हैं. आप खुद का प्रोडक्ट प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, खुद का ऑफर प्रमोट कर सकते हैं. अमेजिंग थिंग. 6, learn Facebook advertising. Guys, this is also number 1 skill you can master right now. Facebook is the best platform in the India and the world as well. You can learn Facebook marketing. If you want to learn more, you can check the links below this video. You can see one of my upcoming live workshop masterclass. Not in that one, you can become a freelancer. You can charge per client for Facebook advertising 20,000, 40,000, 50,000. Also we charge 40,000 plus per client every month. And if you want to learn that one, amazing skill. और उसके बाद में है 8, 7, skill number 7, become a web developer. If you want to start consulting business very small, learn web development skill. आप कहीं से भी easily सीख सकते हैं, YouTube से सीख सकते हैं, किसी का कोर्स खरीद सकते हैं. You can start 5,000, I mean to say 10,000, 20,000. Some people charge 50,000, 40,000 rupees per website. Just imagine आप monthly 2 ही website build करते हो, still you make 1 lakh rupees. Amazing thing. You can learn that part. आप जॉब के साथ में फुल टाइम भी कर सकते हैं. Another part, invest your time in graphic designing. Yes, there is a huge demand in the market. People are looking for graphic designer. If you can learn that skill, आपका सपोज आपका इंटरेस्ट एरिया है कि आप ग्राफिक बना सकते हैं, आपका क्रिएटिविटी डिजाइनिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, यू कैन लर्न दैट स्किल. पीपल चार्ज पर बैनर 1,000 rupees, 2,000, 3,000 rupees per banner. Understand this one. Amazing skill you can learn. 9, start your consulting business. दोस्तों, consulting business is the best model. You can start with minimum budget. Consulting can be anything. Business consulting, health consulting, it can be, doesn't matter. You share your advice and people pay you money for consulting services. I mean to say, आप आपके business consulting provide कर सकते हैं, health consulting, doesn't matter. There are different topics: health, wellness, personal development, business, make money, stock market, network marketing, doesn't matter. If you start your consulting business, you can learn more on that part. Amazing business to start. Right now I am in affiliate marketing में करता हूँ, digital products मेरे हैं, plus एक Facebook expert हूँ मैं. Consulting business है मेरा, but I started with 1. You can start with slowly learning multiple skills. And dosto, 10, become a copywriter. Guys, on this planet, copywriting is the number 1 skill you can master. I can recommend this book to you called Scientific Advertising. Because I'm telling you, the copywriting skill बहुत बढ़िया है. आप लोगों को ad copies, headlines, banners, wherever you go, copy is really important. Copywriting means salesperson in the words. Best skill you can learn. People can pay you a lot of money for that one also. Okay, so let me repeat top 10 ideas: affiliate marketing, drop shipping, freelancing, digital product courses, become a YouTuber, learn Facebook advertising, become a web developer, invest your time in graphic designing, start consulting business, become a copywriter, and you can learn. दोस्तों, I have given some ideas. This is my thought. ऐसा नहीं कि this is a sequence. This is not sequence, guys. These are the random numbers. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि 1 2 3 10 बोला है तो affiliate marketing number. No, it's like random numbers. Whatever you think suitable for you, you can do, or you can do more research on this part as well. If you learn something from this video, you can share the comment below. What do you think? What is your interest area? Or if you are doing something different than this one, if you think that is a smart idea, you can share in the comment box below. This can be helpful to other members. बाकी members के लिए भी helpful हो सकता है. Also, I want to tell you one thing here. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so because I will be creating this kind of new videos, new contents, and I can go deep into each topic later on this video. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Another part, I have some special gifts. Basically, I do the live interactive workshop masterclass on like how to build the business, how to get the customers, how to dominate online, how to sell, how to run the Facebook ad, and so many things. So below this video there will be link like called https datatule.co/formula. Below this video there will be a link. Please go ahead, check out that one. If you think that is something for you, register for that one and start your journey. Dosto, do not forget, you are just one step away to starting your successful business and making 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 10 lakh rupees and getting customers as well. Okay दोस्तों, दत्तातुले साइनिंग अप फॉर टुडे. मिलते हैं अपकमिंग लाइव इंटरेक्टिव सेशन के अंदर या अपकमिंग वीडियो के अंदर. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच.